It was my childhood dream to become a doctor, and I work very hard towards this dream. However, my father being a farmer, we did not know how to achieve this dream. When I had to take coaching for the NEET exam, my mother sold her Mangala Sutra to pay for the coaching. Even if I had secured a government seat, there would be other expenses like food, books, accommodation, etc., which would amount to a few lakhs. My parents had decided to sell our agricultural land to meet these expenses. By divine grace, I got admitted in this college where alongside education, all my personal needs from toothbrush to books and laptops are also provided totally free of cost. Today, my parents are extremely relieved of any financial burden, and we are happy that my father is able to continue farming in the land. I hail from a small village which does not have adequate healthcare facilities. Even in case of an emergency, people need to travel considerable distance, which is life-threatening. I feel blessed to be a part of an institution which will not only make me a competent doctor but also enable me to go back and serve in my village. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತಿರುವ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಕನಸು.